What's up guys, so today I am going to be giving shout outs only on Roblox. So I have a few people in mind, but they don't know because they haven't heard on my YouTube channel because it's not like famous. It's like middle. But it's like, okay, so I want you guys to use your hands. So put a middle in the middle, right? And then put one hand on top. Then just get an object and then put that like on the bottom. I'm like near the bottom of the object. I think that's a good example, but for you might be confused. But let's go up with my shout out. So my first shout out is for Broken Ghana. I am so sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, but he is very like he's kind. He is like he's very fun to talk with because you have very good conversations with him. But yeah, so that's him. For my next shout out is for my next shout out is Mia Wolfie 131. But some of you might know her. But some of you might know her if you watched my previous video on this course. What have I done? So she's the oh wait, no, I think I haven't said her name. But she played New Star Planet, and for my New Star Planet shout out, I'll also give her a shout out. But we had a mini fight, but like it wasn't like all her fault, and it wasn't all my fault. I'm just saying, so shout out to Mia Wolfie for my next one. Let's just go in and show you. My next one is Chase Pro X666 EXE. So he is, how can I say it? He has fun, but he's not that fun. He's boring at the same time. But I can't say, actually, I don't actually even talk to him a lot. But that's him. On to my next one. So this is, I think, is one of mine. But she is very like, I can't say girly, but she's more like, she loves unicorns, I can tell that. She loves like fairies. I think she loves fairies. She like cool at the same time. Cause as her uniform, it's like in the fairy where they have an Xbox, they have like some cat outfit, and I think that necklace is a cat. But like that's one of my shout outs. So for my second, I think it's my last, but I don't know which one. But I'm gonna give a few more shout outs. So for my last shout out is Devin Devil 557, and I'm just giving him a shout out. You know what, should I tell you something? I'm giving random people a shout out. I think you haven't noticed, but all of the shout outs I've given is here are my friends thingy. So I'm just giving a random. If I did not include you and you're one of my friends, I am so sorry because I'm picking random, okay? Random. Okay? And if you want to be my next shout out video, then comment below your username for Roblox. And if you have a great chance, then write why you want to shout out something, I know what. But yeah, so I am gonna end the video here, and I have this gift. I think I've given this giveaway. Even though I'm just gonna log out. I don't know if someone took the account. I'm just gonna log out of it. Or log on my account. Log in. No. I think what's cracking is why Amy. I think the password is. I think that's the password. I don't know. Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna be right. The password I wrote is wrong. I finally found out the password. and it's not mine, okay? I made it with my own money. I bought Robux with my own money. If you want to check it out, then just do it. I think I wrote it wrong. Wait, I want to check it. Okay, the person that got the account, and I'm going to reveal it. I'm going to show you it's, I think it's email or something. I'm going to show you who it was. And yeah, it's actually a boy, I think. But I think, wait, I think he used his email actually. Yeah, here. The boy. I bet he wasted all my Robux. Oh no. How much friends does he even have? I feel sorry for him. And I'm not one of his friends. When I'm the one that gave him that account. That is just, I'm gonna log in and add him. And I'm just gonna message him saying, guess who's the one that gave you that account? Huh? I sent the request and I am gonna see what keep broken cheap is the way to live. R5 Robux. Oh, I wanna join. It's the clothing. Okay, guys, I'm not sponsored. Okay. Do you even know if we get sponsored? I don't know, but ooh, these are cute. I'm liking them. And they're for 5. That's a good deal. I wanna see this pink overall, pink one and black one. But they're short. And I'm gonna go back and see like the enchantments just in case I waste my 395 Robux on something useless. And I have done that before. That's how I bought more. Wait, how much time have I bought some? I think I bought some 3 or 4 times. I don't know. Does he have any pants? Yeah, but like girl pants that have like shirts on it, but not t-shirts. He has nothing like. Just because it's a price, like Robux. He has nothing cool. But never mind. Let's say. Okay, guys, I'm blabbing on. It was only meant to be a shower video. Now I'm blabbing on random stuff. Okay, guys, what's the message? Recording. Yes, at YouTube if I search. So then, okay, he says hello. He's messing me so much. Okay. Talk about it later. I am. What are we gonna play? We will play after finish. I don't care how much. Okay. So I'm gonna end the video of him. I know. Oh, Gucci. I am Gucci. I'm Gucci. I'm Gucci, but those are for the boys, I think. No. Finally. Okay, I don't care. Okay, guys, I'm gonna say, why did he just ask what we're gonna do? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna end the video here until I get so mad.